this is Christine with Coco Daisy, and today I wanted to share with you something new that we are offering. We love to give our customers as many options as we can, and in an attempt to do that, we are now offering our planner kits with or without the inserts. Traditionally, what we've always done is we've offered our planner kits with all of the bits and pieces that you see here, and then you picked whatever size insert that you wanted to go in the kit. But we've heard back from so many of you that maybe don't use our inserts, that plan in a different way that we don't offer, but you would still love to have the beautiful designs and all of the other things that would come in the kit. And we listened to you. We want to try and bring this stuff to as many customers as we possibly can and share that with you. So what we've done is we've gone ahead now, and the planner kit with inserts is our traditional one, and I'll show you the insert options here in just a moment. But now we offer it as a planner kit without inserts, and this is an example of what that would be. So this is the March kit, and it shows you all of the extra things that normally come in the kit. So you have the papers, you have notepad, pen, we have our die cuts, washi tape, the stickers, and then there's always a few little extra things that kind of change from month to month. But this gives you an idea. When you look at the planner kits that we've done in the past, it would have all of these kinds of items, and then with that would be whatever insert that you chose. So this is an example again of a planner kit without insert. A planner kit with an insert would be everything that you see here, and then you would choose the size insert that you would like. And what we offer is the A5 size ring bound, and that you can get in a 6-hole punch, a 7-hole punch, or no hole punch. The personal size, which comes in a 6-hole punch or a no-hole punch. And then we offer in the booklet sizes, we have a B6, a standard, a personal, a mini, and now we offer 2 more additional sizes. And again, this was something we listened to you. We heard a lot of you say you wanted an A5 and an A6 size booklet. So we now offer that. So a planner kit with insert would be all of these items below, and then you would pick the insert size that you want to go with it. So lots of different options, and I hope that that is something that you are happy to hear and can maybe even better suit your planning needs. And again, thank you so much for being a part of Coco Daisy.